So let's start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the hands together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. Inhale, looking up to the hands. Exhale, down. And inhale, looking up. Exhale, down. Inhale. And exhale. So one more, inhale, looking up, exhale, follow the hands down. And bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around. Swap the arms over, come up and around. So just carry that on in your own time. Just breathe when it feels natural and just try and tune into the breathing. Bring the arms down, holding onto the elbows. We're coming down to the easy forward bend. So a deep bend in the knees, rest the body on the thighs. Inhale, exhale, try and straighten the legs or wherever you get to. Again, deep bend in the knees. Inhale, exhale, straightening the legs. We'll do one more, deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten, and let go of the elbows, fingertips towards the toes, bend the knees and roll on up through the spine. So balance pose, we'll do warrior 3, so standing on the right leg, bring the left leg up, inhale first, exhale, come forwards. So we're trying to get the body parallel to the ground if we can. Keep the head in line with the spine. Coming back up. Go on to the other side. And we'll inhale. Exhale, coming forwards. So bringing that right leg up. Trying to keep the back flat. And come on up. So do 2 more each side. So inhale first. Exhale, come forwards. So once you're steady, try and bring that back leg, the left leg, up to hip height with the hips pointing down. So try not to twist the hips. So the foot's flexed. Come on to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Pivot forwards. Coming down to the flat back. And then lifting that right leg to wherever you can. Toes pointing down, hips pointing down. And coming on up. So one more each side. Inhale. Exhale forwards. Inhale. Exhale. Lift that leg. See if the breathing helps. Now if you can, we're going to bring the arms forwards, maybe even bring the hands together, lengthening fingertip to the heel. And coming down, we'll do one more. So standing on the left leg, bring that right leg up, inhale, exhale, body comes forwards. You get steady there, then lift in the back leg. And gradually working the arms forwards. And then coming down. Standing pose, we'll do warrior two. Starting with the legs nice and wide. Turning that right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled towards that front foot. If you want that line from the front heel to the back arch. That front knee's bent, shoulders above the hips. Keep the body facing forwards. And bring the arms up to shoulder level. Squeeze the arms. And very gently just turn the head, look along that right arm. And breathe. So bring the arms down, turn the feet around. So set ourselves up first and bring the arms shoulder level. And turn in the head, so keep the head and neck relaxed. Try not to lift the shoulders. And bring the arms down. So I'll do one more each side. And make sure that front knee is tracking in the same direction as the toes. Don't let it drop inwards. Bring the arms down, turn the feet around, last one. So have a good bend in that left knee, making sure the knee doesn't go past the ankle. The knee's either above the ankle or behind, but never past the ankle, otherwise you're straining the knee joint too much. Just hold and breathe. And bring the arms down, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And bring the arms down, and we're all done.